926. Let's go. Source code is here. Okay. In Hunkering right here, we have a monkey wrench macro, and we have Hunkering, room index, tile size, the level local origin of our explosion, and the different branches of our explosions, the different arms of our explosion, the output hunker object. So this is going to space partition a ring-shaped explosion. Here's our inputs, here's our output. That's an output parameter. We'll do this in another video. We have Hunk Laser right here, the Hunk Laser system. Got a monkey wrench macro here. Hunk Laser is going to manage partitioning laser-shaped explosions. All of these parameters are the same as all of the functions that we're going to go over. And here's the inputs, here's the output, and output hunk object. And we'll do this in another video. Hunk jacks. Okay, so we got a monkey wrench macro here. Hunk jacks. So this manages hunking the jacks-shaped explosions. We got the room index, tile size, the origin of the explosion, the branches of the explosion on the X and Y axis, and then the output hunk object, right? So these are inputs because they have I. This is an output parameter because it has an O. Output hunker object. We'll do this in another video. Okay, hunk box. So inside of the hunk box section, we have a monkey wrench macro. We have the hunk box space partitioning function. So this is going to space partition a box-shaped explosion. Room index, tile size, the origin of our explosion, and then the arm reach of the left, right, top, and bottom branches of the explosion, and the output hunker, right? So I for input, all of these parameters in the same order as they are here. The output on the end, the output on the end. We'll do this in another video. Okay, hunk hot. So this is going to be like a switchboard for all of those different hunk subsystems. We got some monkey wrench macros here for some misspellings, and then this is our main switchboard, our outermost hunker function. So function hunk hot, it stands for hunk hotel, and it's hunker hotel. Like it's a chunker function that space partitions are blasts on the tile maps that each blast sector exists in a contiguous sector of memory. Okay, we got the room index, the tile size, and a new parameter, the explosion shape, because this manages all of the different explosion shapes. We have the origin of the explosion, and then the branches and the output hunker, right? So right here. And then right here, we're going to copy all of these over. We're going to strip off the eyes, copy them over. And if we have a ring-shaped explosion, call hunk ring. Laser-shaped explosion, call hunk laser. Jack-shaped explosion, call hunk jacks. Box-shaped explosion, call hunk box. Otherwise, error, return void. Okay, we're out of time. Like and subscribe.